In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and apply a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in and get you up to speed with managing your vendor credits swiftly and efficiently. First things first, head over to QuickBooks. If you're new to this platform and don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. However, if you're already set up, simply click on the Sign In option. Once you're logged in, enter your credentials and proceed by clicking Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your password, type it in, then hit Continue once more. Now choose the company file you're working with, ensuring it's the correct one for this task. With your company file open, navigate to QuickBooks. On the home page, look for the Plus Create button, which allows you to manage various financial tasks. Click on this button and select Vendor Credit. This step is crucial because it starts the process of recording the vendor credit. Now in the Vendor drop-down menu, choose the vendor who is issuing the credit. QuickBooks will automatically link this credit to the vendor's account, making it easier to track. Next, fill out the credit details. You'll need to select the proper category, such as an expense account or an item if it's inventory related. Enter the credit amount, a brief description, and the date of the transaction. If you have any additional memos or attachments that are relevant, include them here. This can be particularly helpful for future reference. Once you have carefully reviewed all the details, it's time to save your work. You can choose to click Save and Close if you're done for now, or Save and New if you have more entries to input. With the vendor credit recorded, let's move on to applying it to a vendor bill. You'll want to go to Plus New and then Pay Bills. Choose the specific vendor bill you intend to settle. Under Credits Applied, you'll see available credits that can be used. Check the box to apply the credit and adjust the payment amount if necessary to reflect the correct balance. To wrap up, you'll need to click Schedule Payment. At this point, you'll confirm and record the transaction. Select the payment account you'll be utilizing to cover any remaining balances, and then click Save and Close. Review your vendor bill. It should now reflect if it's partially or fully paid, depending on how much credit was applied. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded and applied a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll improve your accuracy and efficiency in managing vendor transactions. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.